Hello guys, today we are at Karon Beach. The project here is only 700 meters to the beachfront, not far away from any facilities. Family Mart, Macro, uh, Deutsche Bakery, there is lots of different restaurants over there. Um, and today we're gonna have a look at 43 square meters, one bedroom apartment. About the project. In total there is 7 buildings, swimming pool, which is a little bit under the renovation right now, but it's going to be ready in no time. Fitness center, reception, and we are in the high season. We can see a lot of people right now renting it. They like it. It's a nice design. hmm Let's go have a look at the apartment. Here's the entrance into the apartment. We turn left. This is the dining area. Going a little bit further, we have a kitchen fully equipped, boiler, toaster. What do we have? Yeah, glass wine, wine glasses. I'm sorry, wine glasses, and yeah, well, everything that you need at home. 2 months ago, the developer says they had a renovation, so we can see nice, beautiful ladies over here. The whole area is quite wide, about 7 meters by 4. Very spacious. We go into the balcony. So you can have yourself a little breakfast here in the morning, drink a cup of coffee, and enjoy the jungle view. Lots of greenery, and it's very quiet. hmm Okay, so let's go to the master bedroom. So go through here. Ah, bedroom, shower, and the toilet. And here is the master bedroom, quite big size bed. Yeah, also they did a renovation, painted the walls. Here is the uh, air conditioning. hmm The wardrobe is over there. Let me have a look how big it is. Yeah, so I would prefer a little bit bigger, but it's all right. hmm And the exit onto the balcony. As a conclusion, this is a walking distance to the beach, 700 meters. On the way to the beach, you can buy anything you need, like a couple of drinks, water, soda water, have a Thai cuisine, foreign cuisine, anything is in here. And this apartment is 43 square meters, freehold, fully furnished, only for 3 million baht. This is a very great deal. So if you like the video, please leave a comment. Thank you.